Assalamualaikum viewers, today's reading is about your love life. What is going to happen in your love life? What is in your future? And today I have two piles like always. This is a pile number 1 and this is a pile number 2. Which pile you are attracted most? Please like that pile. Choose that pile, and I am going towards my pile number 1. Okay, for those who choose pile number 1 with this crystal necklace, your reading is your person is not okay. You are not seeing the perspective at the right side, and you're thinking maybe you are stubborn over here, want something very desperately, very eager to have something. Okay, you are very determined here. You want this thing and you want to have this. Okay, what else? This person is in the yoga position, and I think that you are bending towards someone. Yes, you are bent towards someone. Okay, you are bowing towards someone. Okay, and you are not saying the right thing. You know what you want to know. You are doing what you want to doing, what you want to do. And with this two of pentacles, you are juggling two things, two persons, two jobs, two any of two things. Okay, and I think you are like playing with that thing. You can you see that monkey over here, and he have one yo-yo in his hand, and he is also playing with the butterfly, some kind of change. Yes, sorry guys. And this is this is very I think this is very dangerous situation, because where that man is standing and performing this juggling something, and this is very dangerous place atop of the mountain. Okay, and you are at this time at the top of or at the tip of something, at the tip of any time to do something, to make a choice, um, to make a choice soon. Okay, yes, I think so. I think there is some kind of triangular situation, third party situation. Can you see that in the on the chest of that man there is a triangle? I think there is a third party situation over here, and with this card, this situation is taking time. This situation taking time, many time, maybe a lot of time, and this is very slow situation. This person is coming towards you very slowly. Maybe they are juggling you, or you are juggling them. Whatever the circumstances, whatever the situation is, this situation will take a lot of time to recover, to make to some end. Okay, and with this temperance card, you have to be patient with this temperance card. This card will heal your will mend your hurt, broken heart, or will heal you from your physically and also mentally. Okay, and I think you are going to make some good decision. Your sun is coming on the sky, rising. Your sun is going to rise, okay? And there is a flower. There are flowers. I think maybe you are going to marry that person, but this situation will take time, and but at the end you are going to marry that person, and you will have the child with that person, okay? Be an open mind person, okay? Be an angel like open mind person, pure thinkings, okay? And with this sun card, and yes, this is, there is abundance, there is happiness, there is joy, joyful joyness, and there is harvest time, I think. Food and money and everything, every happiness in the life you are going to have with this situation, with this person. You are going to have this happiness, this sun card in this your love life, okay? About your love life. And then this is the card of wishes come true. The genie will fulfill your wishes, okay? This is the card of the wishes fulfilling, okay? Wishes to come true, and for hope, okay? And you are going to win that person. And with this card, you want to enjoy life with them, you want to give what you have with you. You are like a king like person, you are emperor like energy, and you want to hold the whole situation in your hand. Yes, I can see that you want to hold the whole situation in your hand. You want to deal them all, or that person by yourself, and to make way for them, to do something for them, to control all of the situation. Yes, he is alone and he needs no one. You can see at his face expression, he is very wise, he know what he want to do, what he have to do, what is good for him, or no, what is not. Religious factor, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and the spiritual path, okay? Maybe there is some kind of religious factors between you two, or maybe this is because your upbringing and spiritual path is different from that person, okay? Your way to live, how to eat, how to talk to someone, how to dress up, your dressing, all the things. You are, I think that you are very different from them. Yes, that is the main factor in this situation, okay? And with this wolf card, wolf is a very brave, very intelligent, very clever, very he is it is a hunter. Wolf is a hunter, and this person is this situation is I think you are taking this situation, you are holding you want to get hold all the situation, and the wolf person, the person who resonate this card is they protect their family, okay? You also want to protect your family, okay? And this little bit little thing that I am not satisfied by that. That the wolf is very witty, very um, keen, Okay, that person is very witty and keen also. Okay, you have to be careful about that thing. Okay, and with this, yes, death and the maiden invasion, boundaries violated, dominance. Okay, uh, this person is not good person. Okay, and you are very innocent to them, uh, as compared to them, and you are very innocent, you are very lovable, and they are like a wolf, like they have wolf like energy. Okay, they are wolf person, they are very clever. But I think that with your love, with your patience, with your calmness, you are going to win their heart, you are going to win the situation. Okay, I want to pull some more card for you. Okay, now you have the card of the release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. You have, if you have any person, um, any person in your life with this person, because this situation I already had tell you that this situation leads to third party situation, that definitely you have someone else in your life. You have to cut them out from your life, you have to leave them, then you can move forward in this situation. Okay, or this situation will make this kind of situations the bad things. Okay, you have to release that person. That person is not good for you. Okay, the previous person, that's why you are not seeing the prospector at the right side, and because you are very much involved in someone else, with someone else. I can see that there is two persons, one is over here and the other is over here. You have to leave that person to come towards that person, that is who is good for you. Okay, and this is the reading number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about you, please check out my other readings, my previous readings. You will got something from there, and have some advice from there. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. For those who choose pile number 2, this flower, this skin colored flower, reading, your reading is there's some kind of judgment in your love life. This is 10 10 20, and yes, 20 number, spiritually emotional something. Okay, with this situation you are this is happening by universe. Universe is doing something over here. They are making you both to marry each other. This is the universe who compels you to do this. Okay, and in this situation there is lots of happiness, lots of flowers, lots of abundance. Okay, and changes with I think that there is good changes, because that butterflies are blue colored and purple color. For purple color they are this is for love, and blue color this is for your spirituality, and your intuitions are very high. Yes, I think that your intuitions are very high. The god had tell you from your intuitions, by your intuitions, to marry that person. Okay, you are going towards that person. That is destined. I think that is destined. Okay, and with this card 9 of cups, you are going to have your wishes come true. You are going to fulfill your hope, your wishes, your dreams. Yes, and you are searching over here something, and you are going to have that person, or you are going to be in your love life. Okay, uh, With this card, Four of Swords, you have to take a rest, be patient for this time. This is the time for you to take a rest, not move forward. Don't move forward, and stay still. Have a little time, and be relaxed. Think about this situation. Do you want this? If this person is good for you, if this situation is good for you, if their parents or family, other family members are good for you, but they are thinking about you, please take a time and think about that things. Okay. With that other card, the Four of Pentacles, you are holding that person, you are grabbing that person, you don't want to let them go. If you think if you put them away, they can run away. If you put them on the ground, they can run away, they can vanish in the air. You are very protective about that thing, that situation. You don't want to leave that person, you don't want to lose that person. Okay. And you are very aggressive about that situation. Okay. Now with this card of King of Swords, you are not telling anyone about that, about your this situation. You are holding your all thoughts, your all thinkings, your all feelings from maybe that person or from others, all of them. There is a wolf over here, that you are very wise person, you are uh, uh, you are a go-getter person. If you want something, you want that thing. Okay. And with the okay. And I think that you are at this time, you are chained by something. Okay. Buckling or tied with that chair, with that situation. You are not, you can't move forward, but you want to do something, you want to cut all from the situation, all that block you, you want them. Okay. And with this Seven of Pentacles, yes, definitely you are not doing anything, you are sleeping over here, you are just thinking about that person, you are not doing anything, and just stay still here. You are not defending yourself. Seven of Wands, you are not defending yourself, you are blocking yourself, and you want to see let that thing happen itself. Now you have the other card, let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. Okay. I think that definitely your first card is Judgment card. I think your intuitions are very high, and you are that's why you are not doing anything in this situation, because you know the universe is doing their work in this situation. And with this let go of control issues card, they are telling you that don't do anything, we are here, let everything be as it is. We are doing this thing, we are working at that situation, don't worry. Okay. Yes. And with this, just once again, out trick or treat, we are here. So you have the you have help from others or from angels or from universe here, and there is the help for you. You don't have to worry about this situation. This is they are holding it in their hand, they are doing it. Okay. And three witchy sisters, the power of three. Okay. With this card, under that card, the King of Swords, you have to clear your way. You have to protect yourself, you have to clear that all persons, all things that are not good for this situation, for your love life, for your married life. You have to cut that things, that persons. Yes, you have to be aware of. There are these three witches are there. The two are sleeping and one is waking uh, when they are sleeping. So you have to open your eyes. Don't close them. Look at the situation, what you have to do, which one is not good for you, which one you have to cut from the life, which one you have to leave. Okay, and then you will get that person wisdom. You can win that person's heart by wisdom. You can get that person by wisdom. You have to do something. Don't sit like that person. You have to do something. Do some hard work. This situation needs wisdom. Okay, please learn from it. Search what you have to do here, what is universe telling you to do here. You have to make your own way here. Okay, and yes, you have to clear your way from that persons who are restricting you, who are making you stop over here, who don't let you go towards that person. Okay, and with that sea storm calm and chose, um, yes, there is something underneath that situation. You are not seeing that thing. You This is hidden under the surface. You have to search for it. You have to know what is it. You have to um, uh, collect informations about that thing. What is that thing? What is that calm storm? This is ending over here. That I think that you are going to know what is the problem, who is the person you have to cut them. Okay. uh, yes, this is this reading for you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, please go and check my previous readings. You can get something from there, and that will also good for you. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.